If you're a confident DIYer or builder or in the trade and you're suffering from noise from neighbours, then this is a great course for you. If you live in a semi-detached or terraced property and you have noise from neighbours, then this course will show you how to professionally soundproof your home for you and your family, reducing the noise so you feel more settled in your home, feeling more comfortable in your home, feeling like you don't ever want to move. Hi guys, welcome back to the module. In this lesson we're going to go over rigid insulation, why rigid insulation makes noise worse in homes and the alternatives to rigid insulation.
Okay, so what I'm doing here, I'm measuring the RR20 where I want it to be cut, and I'm creating a little slit in the rubber, ensuring I've got something below to protect the surface so I'm not cutting into the floor.
But in some cases, RSJs, like this particular case where the RSJ is sat on the separated party wall, the noise can be so loud down that RSJ, noise is transmitting through the web of the steel and that uninsulated void there and transmitting up to all the bedrooms and to the rest of the house. That's considered a main cause. We show you how to professionally soundproof your own home, not just soundproofing that direct noise path of the separating party wall, but how to soundproof all those other noise paths as well. We show you exactly what soundproofing materials go where and why, and with soundproofing materials that you can install yourself. We are an award-winning soundproofing installation company. We've been soundproofing homes for nearly 20 years, and now we want to show you exactly how to soundproof your own home with systems and products that you can install yourself. So if you wanted to soundproof your own home, why not learn from professional award-winning installers? Soundproofing your home for you and your family will make you feel more settled in your home, feeling more comfortable, feeling like you don't ever want to move. The skills, concepts and systems that you will learn in this course, you'll be able to apply to other projects, not just your own home. Each intake to the course is limited to 30 people to ensure we give maximum value to those 30 people. We only want people that are really keen to reduce the noise in their own home for them and their family. You can let us know you're interested in the course by clicking the link below. Click the link and register your interest now. I'll look forward to seeing you on the course.